Nothing beats a show that will keep you on your toes with its surprising plot twist. Korean drama features some of the biggest and most unthinkable plot twists, effectively changing the entire perspective of the viewer. Here are top 15 K-dramas with the biggest plot twist. This is a spoiler-free review so that you can watch it without worrying about the spoilers. Number 1. Flower of Evil. Although Baek Hee-sung is hiding a dark secret surrounding his true identity, he has established a happy family life and a successful career. He is a loving husband and a doting father to his young daughter. But his perfect facade begins to crumble when his wife, Cha Ji-won, a homicide detective, begins investigating a string of serial murders from 15 years ago. Ji-won notices changes in Hee-sung's behavior and begins to wonder if he could possibly be hiding something from her. Every scene is interesting, with each episode ending. The plot is well done and there are many unexpected twists throughout it, constantly keeping me on the edge of my seat and eager to see what happens next. Highly recommended for fans of psychological thrillers and those who enjoy subtle romance plotlines. Number 2. Mouse. A suspenseful story that asks the key question, what if we could identify psychopaths in advance? A crazed serial killer's ruthless murders have left the entire nation gripped with fear and chaos reigns. Justice-seeking rookie police officer Jung Ba-ryung comes face to face with the killer. While he survives his dangerous encounter with the psychopath, Jung Ba-ryung finds his life completely changing before his eyes. Mouse has a very complicated plot that's a little difficult to keep up with. This is not a light watch drama. All the characters are related somehow with each other or with the main events, and everything plays an important role for the plot. Number 3. Vincenzo. At the age of 8, Park Joo-hyun went to Italy after being adopted. Now an adult, he is known as Vincenzo Casano to the mafia who employ him as a consigliere. Because mafia factions are at war with each other, he flees to South Korea where he gets involved with the lawyer Hong Cha-young. She is the type of attorney who will do anything to win a case. Now back at his motherland, he gives an unrivaled conglomerate a taste of his own medicine with a side of justice. The first few episodes were a bit complicated and boring, but as they continued, the plot just got better and better, and it reaches the climax in a few episodes that were epic. Although the episodes are longer than normal Korean dramas and one episode is 80 plus minutes, the story was pretty comprehensive. Number 4. It's okay to not be okay. Moon Gang-tae is a community health worker at a psychiatric ward who was blessed with everything including a great body, smarts, ability to sympathize with others, patience, ability to react quickly, stamina and more. Meanwhile, Ko Moon-hyang is a popular writer of children's literature who, due to suffering from an antisocial personality disorder, seems extremely selfish, arrogant and rude. Moon Gang-tae denies love and Ko Moon-hyang doesn't know it. The two defy faith and fall in love, finding their souls and identities in the process. Sang-tae and Gang-tae deal with the loss of their mother who was murdered when they were kids, something they have in common with Moon-young. One of the biggest reveals is their childhood connection. But the same connection leads to the disturbing revelations about what happened the night both women were murdered. And that's just the first of many heartbreaking twists. Number 5. The World of the Married. Everything seems perfect in the life of the successful family doctor and associate director Ji Sun-woo. She lives happily in Gosan with her handsome husband Lee Tae-oh, whom she financially helped establish an entertainment company, and their teenage son Jun-young. However, the perfect image of a happy, loving family life shatters when she discovers that her husband is having an affair, and even their mutual friends are helping him conceal it. Devastated by the portrayal, she sets on a path of seeking revenge and recollecting her broken self. This series is deep, complex, filled with drama, and has a badass female lead. While the drama takes many twists and turns, Sun-woo tries to hold things together and keep up a strong facade. Every episode holds the audience attention like a movie, and you can't help binge watching the entire thing. Number 6. Beyond Evil. The story of two fearless men who are willing to go through extreme lengths in their pursuit of a returning serial killer. To uncover the murderer's identity, the two are forced to look deeper than what the evidence seems to suggest. You'll find yourself questioning everyone's innocence while watching the characters search for the culprit. Number 7. Stranger. Wang Shi-mook underwent brain surgery as a child to curb his violent temper, which left him devoid of emotions. Wang becomes a prosecutor known for his piercing intelligence and logic, but he is ostracized because he lacks empathy and social skills. He is also one of only a handful of upright prosecutors who have refused to take bribes. One day, he encounters a stabbing victim while investigating corruption. He meets Lieutenant Han Yo-jin at the crime scene. They join forces to root out corruption at the prosecutor's office and solve a serial murder case. There are big thrills and many twists without feeling overdramatic. It's a gripping series for those who like to play detectives and keep getting surprised. Number 8. It's Okay, That's Love. A love story between a psychiatrist named Ji Hae-so and an author who had schizophrenia named Jang Jae-hyul. One of the only romantic comedy Korean dramas on this list. It's Okay, That's Love features a plot twist that is as heartbreaking as it gets. The drama is definitely worth the watch, even more so because of the plot twist. Number 9. Sky Castle. A satirical drama that closely looks at the materialistic desires of an upper-class parent in South Korea and how they ruthlessly secure the successes of their families at the cost of destroying others' lives. Sky Castle will intrigue you. The dark comedy will keep you watching. The story is so twisted and perfectly executed. Number 10. Signal. 15 years ago, a young girl was kidnapped on the way from school, and Park Hae-young, who was an elementary school student at that time, witnessed the crime. A few days later, the girl was found dead, and the police were not able to find the culprit. As time went by, Hae-young started distrusting the police. 15 years later, Hae-young is now a police officer and a criminal profiler. One day, he finds a walkie-talkie that allows him to get in contact with Detective Lee Jae-han, who is in the past. Police officers Hae-young, Jae-han, and Cha So-hyun then set out on a journey to solve cold cases. As the drama unfolds, the plot starts to hit a little too close to home when one of their cold cases involves the mysterious disappearance of the detective. Number 11. Graceful Family. Mo Seok-hee is an only child and her father runs the large company MC Group. She is beautiful, smart and rich. Mo Seok-hee appears like she's arrogant, but she struggles over her mother's death. Her mother was killed 15 years ago. Hyo Yoon-do is a lawyer, but he doesn't even have an office. He solves small problems of neighborhood residents at a restaurant. He's full of love. Miraculously, Hyo Yoon-do is headhunted to join the top team at MC Group. The top team manages the affairs of the family who runs the MC Group. Their job includes covering up immoral or illegal behaviors done by the family. Han Jae-kook heads the top team. Mo Seok-hee and Hyo Yoon-do work together to reveal the truth of what happened when Mo Seok-hee's mother was killed. Number 12. Extracurricular. Extracurricular is centered around 4 high school students who start committing crimes to earn money and the unpredictable dangers they face as a result. Kim Dong-hee will portray Ji-so, who goes from a model student to a criminal after committing an unthinkable act. Young Da-bin as School bullies Min-hee, who gets caught up in Jisoo's crime. Park Jo-hyun will portray Jisoo's dangerous partner in crime, Gyuri, while Nam Yoon-soo will appear as Min-hee's boyfriend and the school's most popular guy, Ki-tae. For others, high school is a memorable part of life, but for a bunch of students who have engaged in extracurricular activities, their high school days are sure far from the usual. Extracurricular offers new plot twists in every episode that will make your heart beat so fast. Number 13. Prison Playbook. Kim Jae-hyuk, a famous baseball player, is arrested after using excessive force while chasing a man trying to sexually assault his sister. Shockingly to him and the rest of the nation, he is sentenced to a year in prison. There, he meets his childhood friend and fellow baseball player Lee Jun-ho, who gave up on baseball after a car accident, but now is a prison guard and one of Jae-hyuk's biggest fans. The drama revolves around Jae-hyuk's time in prison as well as prisoners he meets and events that take place there. The series will show you a glimpse of what happens inside the prison in South Korea. What will hook you up in the series is the development of each character. Number 14. Chicago Typewriter. The series depicts 3 resistance fighters who lived during 1930s Japanese occupation of Korea and are reincarnated into the present as a best-selling writer in a slum, a fan, and a ghostwriter. It is an epic story of camaraderie, friendship, love and betrayal that lasts 80 years. As the trio of writer, ghostwriter and fan race against time to find the truth of the past that haunts them, will their discovery affect their present? Chicago Typewriter has twists peppered in throughout the drama and every single turn takes us somewhere new, quite literally at times. Number 15. Memorist. Based on the hit webtoon of the same name, Memorist is a mystery thriller that tells the story of Dong Baek, a detective with supernatural powers. This series gives us a taste of all that fun within the K-drama format as we know it today. Naturally, therefore, the plot twists here are unbelievable and at times quite unrealistic. However, that exactly is the best part. So, which Korean drama plot twist story are you curious about? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.